I know the metrology field in general has been losing people as they're getting older, they're retiring. What would be your pitch to a woman who is interested in, who likes science and technology and math and kind of that sort of stuff, to look at this as a career choice?
Do have such a variety of positions. I hate to be redundant, but if you don't like working on the floor, you could definitely get involved with the automation. That's a big step in our future. So being able to take the processes from a factory and convert them into an automated process that suits their requirements is a great engineering job also. When you look at a lot of these women in scientific positions, at an early age, they had an interest in perhaps taking apart their bicycle and putting it back together again. And perhaps the parents, when they see that technique of a young girl, growing up, hopefully they can spurn them on into the correct direction also, and not into the traditional, oh, you need to be a nurse or a teacher.